A rose-breasted grosbeak on the feeder, and a pair of buzzards. Let's see if I can zoom in. A pair of buzzards disposing of the dead groundhog. I hope that zoom is working. Hold on a sec. There, I had to loose the wide angle lens for it to want to zoom a little better. And how cool is that? I've never seen buzzards on the ground here in Maine, or anywhere else that I can remember. Gonna have to get a telephoto lens for this camera. So the one with its wings spread, I believe, is just sort of collecting some solar energy. And the one on the right is actually munching down on a stinky old groundhog. And that's the circle of life. Nothing goes to waste.